Hi, welcome to the 4Seller channel. This video will quickly guide you on how to list your products in various ways. 4Sellers now have three main methods for listing their products. 1. Manually creating the product. 2. Using the scrape plugin to copy the product information and then listing it. 3. Using the migration function to list the products from Store A to Store B. Let us talk about how to create products manually. Click on the Listing module. Currently, 4Seller supports listing products on the following platforms. So, please choose the platform you need to list on based on your requirements and click Draft. And after entering the page, click the Create button. Then manually enter the listing information for the product. You can also click on the Listing module and directly select Create Draft to directly access the product listing page. Method 2. Scrape product listings. To scrape the products, you need to first download the 4Seller plugin from the Google Store. Open the Google Store, input 4Seller to download 4Seller Scrape plugin. After entering the product detail page of the product that can be scraped on 4Seller, the 4Seller Scrape plugin will automatically pop up. Select the scrape and push it to the designated store. If you want to scrape multiple products in bulk, you can copy the product links. Click on the listing module, go to the product scrape page, and paste the links into the scrape box to conduct the batch collection. Method 3. Listings migration. Click on the Listings module. Select Listings Migration. Choose the platform based on your actual situation. You can choose to move individual items or multiple items from the following platforms to a designated store for listing the products. How to batch modify product information. On the draft page, it is supported to select multiple items and then modify the attributes in batches. On the published page, it is supported to select multiple products and then modify some attributes of the products in batches. If you want to view the specific process of each function, you can search for the keywords in the Help Center to access the relevant instructions. Click on Support and then select Help Center. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe 4Seller channel. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with 4Seller customer service.